Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to talk about what all things you should focus on when you're starting out with your online business. So I know like many of us like who are not very well experienced with marketing, people don't come up with online like with 10, 12 years experience in marketing. So there are different things that needs to be focused on and at every different stage of your business. So I'm going to cover a few of the things that you should be really focusing on while you're starting out with your online business that can actually yield you results in the long run. So please make sure you stay till the end. And also if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Sachin and I'll be creating content on how to grow your online business with affiliate marketing, and also I'll be creating more content on really technical stuff related to website creation, design. And if you're interested, please hit that subscribe button. And also if you need any type of help with your online business, or if you already have a business, like if you need any type of help, feel free to schedule a free strategy call, and I have the first link in the description. And let's get started with today's topic. So what most people do is like when starting out with online, trying to do too many things, like you got to decide on few things, like you should be clear on your what product you are going to sell. It could be your own product, or it could be an someone else's product and you are promoting it as an affiliate, and or it could be and next part is, once you are clear about your what, you should be clear about whom you are selling that product, and then like how you are selling that product, like the sales process. That you need to be very crystal clear about these three things when you are starting out with your online business. So I'm going to talk as a beginner, like what I would do when I was starting out with my online business. So I just spoke about these three factors, so I'm going to elaborate in detail. So number one point is what. So what is like, it is very important, because you got to find a product that you're going to sell, because you need to make money. You can't be just become a celebrity online, just providing value, or you just don't want to become famous. Even if you have followers, like it's not going to make any sense. You need to find a way to monetize. The way to monetize is like you're going to sell something. So it could be your own product, like you can be a fitness coach or a personal coach, or like you are providing online marketing tips, or like if you any type of niche, like you're going to choose one product. Like I highly recommend, if you don't have a product, like don't waste too much time in creating a product, because it's take bit of experience in order to create that product, in order to get that authenticity online. So I highly recommend you start with affiliate marketing, that is promoting someone else's product. That is, you just got to promote someone else's product, and everything will be taken care by themselves. What happens, like if you choose buy your own product, like there will be a lot of things that you need to take care, because there will be, you got to take care of the delivery, fulfillment, everything. So you got to be clear, like pick up a product that can actually provide massive value to people. So it's highly recommend that you personally use that product before promoting it. So once you find out the product, like you're going to come up with like whom you are selling. So as an example, I'm considering like you chose a product called as ClickFunnels software. That is one of the product that I promote. ClickFunnels software is nothing but a sales funnel creation. Sales funnel is nothing but a series website, different paths where you can take a complete stranger through a buyer. So that's a different process, and in order to create sales funnel, you need ClickFunnels software. So this is the example I'm just taking. So you can apply this to any of the product or any type of niche. So let's say I picked up ClickFunnels as a software like which I want to promote. I chose affiliate marketing as my online business, and whom I am going to sell. So this is very important, because many people just go ahead and try to sell everything to anybody. You don't want to be hitting shotgun and just one hit, like you don't want to be make that. You want to be a sniper, as clear as sniper, because you want to hit the right target, and you're going to reach the right audience. So you're going to come up with a pen and paper and start writing down how does your audience, like creating your audience avatar. That is very important. So you can just start writing what is his age, what you can just give any name, and like what all he does online. And for example, just talking about ClickFunnels software, like people who are in affiliate marketing, in order to gain more sales, like they need a sales process, they need ClickFunnels. Or like any business owners, like who wants to improve business, they are not aware, like sales funnels can help them, but you're going to make that aware as an affiliate marketer. So for example, any gym owners out there in your city, like maybe their business is running fine, you can even make it better. Just create a sales funnel and run $30 on ads, like on that local area. You will get a lot of leads, and you will see lot of, you can just run that ad saying that come and get a free session, and you will see massive bookings to their area. So this is number one. This is one way to go about it. So I'm just defining my avatars, like what kind of audience I want to target. So this is one example I gave, like affiliate marketers or like fitness coach, or you can go ahead with many different types of, like anybody who wants to grow their business, anybody who is a coach, like who wants to sell his course online. So you're going to come up and create a sales funnel for them. So for that you need ClickFunnels software. That's how you're going to promote. Now you have defined your who, you know your what, and you know you got your who, and now you're going to find out how, like the sales process, like how you're going to communicate to people. So this could be done in a multiple ways, like how you can create. Number one step is like you got to create content. This is my number one recommendation to everyone who is getting starting online. So be it on your Facebook profile, be it on YouTube, or be it on Instagram, be it on a blog post, or collecting leads. So you're going to create massive content. That's how you're going to build trust with people, and that's how you're going to build business in the long run. People without audience, they may get 1 or 2 sales, but they will be always be persuading people to buy from your link all the time, and that is not what you're going to do in the long run. You're going to build authority online. You're going to build your brand. So for that to happen, like you're going to start creating content from today. So you're going to decide which platform or what kind of content you're going to create on how. So if you focus on these 3 things on a consistent basis, and if you start doing things on a daily basis, and you don't have to complicate these things, what I recommend, just because I'm taking ClickFunnels as an example, what you can do is just you can just go ahead and if you are not aware about ClickFunnels first yourself, just go ahead and enroll for a 14-day free trial. I have link in the description, and once you know, like you can just play it around, and you can see how you can build affiliate marketing funnel with that. That's pretty simple, and you're going to create video tutorials about people, like how that software can help them, and how they can go ahead and create that software, like how to build a clear affiliate marketing software a funnel, or how to build a network marketing related funnel, how to build a funnel for a webinar. There are a lot of things you can do with ClickFunnels, how to create a membership site. You can go ahead and check my old videos in my channel, like it will be around first 15 videos. I did the same thing. So you can go ahead and make a tutorial, and you can tell in the videos like hey, anyways, you're going to need these ClickFunnels software. Rather than going to the direct website and buying from them, just buy it from me, from my link in the description. You're going to get these 3 courses on sales funnels for absolutely free, or you'll say you can get this funnel absolutely free. So there are a lot of things you can do. But why most people quit when they are especially beginning? They start for 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 months at least, and they don't see results, but they are putting in the effort, and it is about to show up the results, but they drop their towel. So you don't want to be that guy. So you're going to focus on these 3 when you're especially beginning, and you're going to keep doing these things unless you see results. And these are the basic principles, nothing crazy. So once you go on doing them, you will see massive results online. So if you're enjoying this content, please hit that like button, and if you need any type of help with your online business, be sure to schedule a free strategy call. And if you're enjoying my content, please hit that subscribe button as well, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Thank you.